Tell you what, guys, an era is going to end soon. You can't see them, but they're in there. Crews prepping this old barn for demolition. Gabe's tower. Got to come down. What they're doing is they're getting rid of all the hazardous material like glass and stuff that they don't want flying everywhere. When crews in the next few weeks, I guess, start to work on demolition of the whole thing. Good night. Lots of memories. My aunt and uncle, or my aunt, never came into this town. She didn't stay here. Luxury hotel. I've been at a party up there, pool party, a couple of times.